Okay, what I'm gonna do now is unhook my hard drive. Just take it out. So let's see. So just pull back on the data cable. And this is gonna be an important part later. And we're gonna go just bolt backwards. Yeah. Move this bay right here. A lot of times I really don't keep up with these, but since I'm making a video, I really don't put these back in because these usually hold on for themselves. But I would keep all my bolts and screws over here, so just unhook this from right here. You can right out like that, right there. And then you take the old hard drive out. And one way to make sure that data cable reads, you put the jumper. I'm going to take the jumper out of this one that's set on cable select. So, you got to go to the basic input output system or hit cable select, it'll read it. If you ain't got no jumper in there, it ain't going to read. Four screws, it's Torx 10 bolts. You just keep your DVD drive plugged in. And I just take these old hard drives, just take them to the scrapyard. 8 gigabytes ain't worth the fuck anyway. Oh yeah, but I gotta keep that plugged in anyway. I'm just gonna save this for later. And put these in the tray when I get done with it. When I put in the new hard drive. You'll see where I'm getting with this. I just never done this and try to videotape it myself. I wish someone was there to help me videotape it, but I'm over here using my phone. Okay, that was the last screw, so right there. Hard drive's out. Got the jumper cable, the jumper pin right there. I'm gonna put this hard drive bay to the side, put the screws in there, put it with this other stuff over here, and and how it's set to enable cable select right there. But I gotta keep that in there though. But what I do now is just pick this hard drive back up. I know, I just want to get that dedicated all the way because of what I'm doing. And just take it back up. And I gotta install FileZilla is the file transfer program I'm using to install this right here. So I'm going back to my hard drive or to my apps and games. Okay. If it don't work, I'll just use my phone to download another one. Now this is what I do next. After FileZilla starts. This little mini PC with my 2 terabyte hard drive. On FileZilla you're gonna start. Okay, well.